Get me out of here! As the world now embattled in the fight against coronavirus outbreak, many government in the world has put strict measures in order to contain the COVID-19 outbreaks. As for Malaysia, the government has introduced movement control order as their strategy in containing the virus. Even though the government has relaxed the movement control order in late April and in this month, May, the threat of coronavirus is still real. For the sake of reducing our needs to go outside, I, Muaz, will teach you how to use your phone to install Boost in order to purchase desired internet plan.
Okay, now we will begin with our tutorial. So, first thing first, you may need the app itself. For the sake of showing you all how to install, so just go to Play Store and type here the Boost. There is it, and install it. So it is in the process of installing, so I will skip ahead. Okay, now the Boost app has been installed. First we open the app itself, and now it asks for registration or sign in. So if you new to Boost, you may register, but for me, like I have the account, so I will just sign in, put your number and your password. Okay, and we will go to the home page of Boost. So this is the home page. You can see home, it appear there. This is a prepaid page, and this is do more. This is transaction, your past transaction, and this is your profile. In order to use this app, you must add money into the app itself. So to add money, you just enter here, and you will be directed to my wallet section. As you can see, in my wallet section, I have two methods of adding the money. So for you, they may be known, and this may requires you to press here to add card or online banking method of adding the money, and you just put your detail here if you want to use the credit card or debit, or you can, like me, prefer online banking. As example, I have Bank Rakyat account. I enter my Bank Rakyat account. So you will see we have three method of payment. I will show you how to add money. I add money now. It will directed to your online banking, and yeah, put your ID and follow the step. Okay, I will show after I have finished this. Okay, now after I have finished add the money, you can go back to our home page, and like you see, the money in your Boost account has been added. Now I will teach you how to top up your prepaid plan. Boost actually is linked to your prepaid. As you can see, at my mobile credit right now, I have RM 5 ringgit and 65 cent. This shows that is my current credit in my prepaid. In order to top up, you can go to this prepaid page, and at the section of get more, press the top up, and the app will show the prepaid plan that you have, and just put how many money you want to add. Let's say I want to add 10 ringgit, and now the Boost app will ask for your fingerprint ID. Yes, successful. Okay, now after I have finished top up my prepaid, now we want to start to purchase internet plan. So in order for you to do this, you may want to go back to the prepaid page and go to the get more. As you can see, beside the top up button, there is internet button. Just enter the internet button, and like you can see, there is all the available subscription that I can choose from. So I will choose this one, and right, okay, and success. From this, you have successfully purchased an internet plan.
As for the conclusion, Boost is a great app to use in order to purchase your desired internet plan. It also will benefit people that need to purchase top up fast. The app also offers you benefits such as promotions and coins for you to redeem if you use it frequently. Even though it may be hard for first timer to use Boost app, the benefit of using less energy to buy top up outweigh the problem. Then, the app may sometimes be under maintenance. This proved to be a problem if you need to purchase internet plan at that time. As bad as it sounds, the choice is yours to make. I hope by giving you this tutorial video of how to use Boost effectively may help you in the future. And that's all from me in this video. Do not forget to leave a like and smash the subscribe button for future video. Feel free to share this video, and I, Muaz, prays that we all stay healthy and free from the coronavirus. Until then, goodbye and thank you.